Many traders do not lose because they pick the wrong side. They lose because they bet the wrong size. On Polymarket, every event is a question, yes or no. You buy a yes share for 60 cents. If you are right, it pays $1 back. You profit 40 cents. If you are wrong, the share pays 0. You lose the 60 cents. You have $1,000 and you think yes is underpriced. How much do you bet? Let us walk through the numbers. You have $1,000 and bet 600 on yes. If you are right, each share pays $1. Your 1,000 shares return $1,000. Bankroll goes to 1,400. If you are wrong, the shares are worth 0. You are left with 400. For every 60 cents risked, you gain 40 or lose 60. We call this payout ratio B. F is the fraction of your bankroll you bet. This is the variable we need to find. You believe the probability is 75%. What if you bet everything 100%? You could win 1,600, but one loss sends you to 0. Game over. Bet 50% and a loss still leaves you with 500. Bet 10 and you barely notice. One loss at 100% and you are done forever. So how much is optimal? 3 traders take the same 10 bets. The YOLO trader bets 100%. The flat trader bets 5%. The gut feel trader bets 40%. Watch the YOLO line crash to 0 on the first loss. One bad bet and it is over. The flat trader barely moves, but there is one path that maximizes long-run growth. Each bet is a multiplier on your bankroll. Win and it grows. Lose and it shrinks. Call each multiplier XT. After n bets, your wealth is the product of them all. Your bankroll compounds. Each bet multiplies your wealth. Take the log and multiplication becomes addition. Log Wn equals log W0 plus the sum of log returns. To grow fastest, maximize the expected log return per bet. Remember the log sum? Each log xt is independent and drawn from the same distribution. By the central limit theorem, this sum converges to a normal distribution. Let us simulate it. 2,000 traders each make 50 Kelly bets. Their final log wealth forms a histogram. And there it is, a beautiful bell curve. The mean is G of F, the expected log growth rate. To push the whole bell curve to the right, maximize G of F. That is exactly what Kelly does. In this simplified model, after many bets, your log wealth follows a bell curve. The YOLO trader bets everything, so a single loss means ruin. No bell curve, just 0. Kelly pushes the center of the bell curve as far right as possible. That center is your long-run destiny. Write the expected log growth. Differentiate and set to 0. Recall M is the market price of a yes share. Substitute the odds B equals 1 minus M over M. The result simplifies beautifully. F star equals P minus M over 1 minus M. If you believe 75% and the market says 60, Kelly says bet 37.5%. The Kelly fraction depends entirely on your belief P. With the market at 60 cents, let us see how it changes. It is a straight line. Below 60%, you have no edge. Kelly says do not bet at all. At 65% belief, Kelly says bet just 12.5%. At 75, 37.5. At 85, you would bet 62%. At 95, almost everything. The slope is steep. A small error in your estimate of P leads to a big error in your bet. Keep that in mind. But full Kelly is aggressive. Double Kelly is a disaster. Rare lucky runs inflate the average, but your typical outcome is worse. Remember, we estimated 75%. But in practice, you never truly know the winning rate. Most traders overestimate their edge. That is why they use half Kelly. Many traders lose not because they pick the wrong side, but because they bet the wrong size. This is a simplified model, but the core lesson holds.